This is a 1990 W250 and it's going to be my truck one day. Hey, crank it up! Alright guys, today we're going to cold start my 1990 Dodge diesel truck and I'll give you a walk around tour of it. Welcome to the baddest truck on the planet. This thing's a tank and it's made out of metal. It's a W250 and you know what the W stands for? Four-wheel drive, baby. This truck has This truck is so awesome, it has locking hubs, not like the wimpy new trucks where you just have to press a button. Look at the size of this exhaust pipe. It's bigger than my hand. This truck has a real bed. It's 8 feet long. I'm saving up. This is where all my allowance is gonna go. Speaking of four-wheel drive, this is where all the magic happens. These LED lights when you have a light to light up your whole truck. Dodge was smart when they made this because if the AC breaks, they added these awesome windows. This thing is powered by 5.9 12-valve diesel. Do you want to hear it? You got bright lights in your car? I gotta press this to turn on my bright lights. Oh, well, they're not very bright, but... Back in the day, you only had one key. Back in the day, you only had one key for the doors and for the ignition. In order to start this truck, you have to let it warm up. Wait to start it. Hey, crank it up! The problem with diesels, they never start. Okay, try it again. All right, take 3. Hey, take 4. Now I gotta wait until I get my driver's license and then this bad boy's all mine.